heart if you close your eyes.
Hey guys, so we're just gonna get this set up real quick. So guys, this is gonna be a really quick video. We have to run a little bit of time budget,
Yeah, because we're filming for a Staple Night Sleepover video.
So we're gonna just see if this stress ball will slime.
Yeah, are we gonna add for our main channel or just for our vlog?
Main channel.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get clear glue. She's gonna get white glue and see which one is like, if they work.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna fill it up with some clear glue, as obviously. So we're going to put the silver side.
Yeah, and maybe we'll do like the gold.
In both of ours, and maybe to do the gold like later.
Or maybe like tomorrow. We might not have time.
So then, ouch.
Morning with a lot of pain in my foot. It's worse. It's really hard. I worked so hard to get
There we go.
There you go. So the rest of this is gonna go over here, and we're only gonna add a little bit. So we have this squishy over here, squishy ball. So, yeah.
It has slime in it, so.
We don't know if it has some. It could just have liquid.
Yeah.
I have this right here. I'm scared.
Don't be scared, baby.
Oh gosh, no, it's slime in there.
Oh no. Okay. Okay,
So
my
we're gonna-
turn. No, I want to do it.
Hold on there.
Okay, is it my turn yet?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't really have any in it. So, yeah.
And season 15, so we're looking for top-level dancers. I'm gonna give them everything I got, and I hope they're ready to play.
Just
Cut it like something. That's it.
yeah, we're gonna mix it now. So guys, I'm gonna go get the spoons.
Alright.
And
We have our clear and white glue. Here's Jade's. Here's mine. Comment down below who do you think will like turn into slime. Maybe one get better. Thank you. Now let's mix it.
ooh, it's like kind of like working. Like
It like feels like it's forming because it's like slime in there.
yeah, but mine's like
These glues are different. So here's mine.
yeah, that one's kind of thicker. This one's thinner. So I'm gonna start activating it.
Okay, now I'm gonna start activating
Oh, it's
it.
already coming together really quickly. I didn't even put that much. So
Oh, I need to. Excuse me. Wow, I added a lot, but I'm not gonna use that much. Oof. Oh, I think I added too much. It's fine.
so we're just gonna.
Oh yeah, it's actually coming together.
Yeah, it comes together pretty quickly because even with the glue, it was like coming together already. While I was
Yeah,
doing
like when I first poured it in, it just like instantly came.
Hopefully it'll come together though. Hopefully it won't be overactivated. I'm gonna start going in with my
Mine's
hands.
just mixing up and it's clumping up. Like it's kind of like marshmallows.
And I'm gonna start going with my hands. I'm gonna move your
So here it is, guys.
So I'm gonna move all this. You can like do yours over there and stuff. I'm gonna move all this
Okay.
out of the way, and I'm gonna start going in with my hands. Hopefully I don't regret this, but yeah.
I think it will turn to slime.
I hope it was gonna turn to slime. I don't know if you guys, well, you guys can't see right now, but Janiyah, if you will,
Like overhead?
yes, please.
Okay, hold on. Let me just mix this up real quick.
It's definitely not coming together, but
She's mixing in her slime.
and as you can see, it's not going well. I might need to add more glue.
Or maybe more
Glue.
activator. Oh yeah.
so it can come together. Can I have some?
Clear
Can you
glue?
pour some more glue, please?
Yes. Where do you want me to pour it? Like
In the slime, just in the slime.
Okay.
R.I.P. counter, but yeah.
Ooh.
That's good.
Okay. Oh. We're gonna have to. I'm sorry, but I just couldn't like.
It's okay. Coming
Well,
together.
we'll get a new glue,
It's
right?
coming together,
Okay, that's good.
as you can see.
Good thing-
It's kind of hard, but it did slime.
I think
so
it's
I
like
guess
thick.
it's just
Oh, it's like kind of like when I hear you like
Yeah.
stretch it, it's just like the sound just weird.
watch this. Okay, all this is like liquid, and then you just mix it, and it all just comes together.
Yep. Can we do my slime now after?
Okay. Guys, we have Janiyah's here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take it out on the table because it looks like it's ready.
Here's mine. It looks like it's ready.
Yeah.
Just need to knead it a little bit, and it should be fine.
Yeah.
Should be fine.
Yeah. Kind of like thick.
Yeah, it says here's mine. I just want to show them the little shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a little bit of shimmer because of the stress ball. So pretty.
Mine's kind of like,
I want to see if there's shimmer in hers. I have a little bit of shimmer.
yeah. Okay, I think it's pretty good.
It's kind of hard, so
Add more activator.
so just you want it, you can just add a little bit more glue,
Okay.
and then we'll go on with our ASMR. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Then if you want, we can go on with their ASMR. And yeah.
4 hours later.
If you don't hear from me for the next little bit, it's for safety. Yours, Kristen's family. My wife is gone, and my child is gone. And I think the only justice for them would be for me to go to the police. So you're gonna...
So guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up or thumbs down because we appreciate all your input. Janiyah is not here right now because she is still sleeping and it's in the morning, and yeah, but make sure to turn on those post notifications so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Make sure to go subscribe and follow all our social media and the vlog channel in the description below. And bye guys.